if you could think about a real world example of how your teams are using AI to transform some raw data into a compelling business narrative.
Part of what we're doing, depending on where you are, commercialization side, medical side, you have to educate. So we're educating, whether you're educating healthcare provider, you might be educating internal stakeholders, you're educating payers for reimbursement. One of the areas we focus on in market access is educating payers for new disease states or for therapies where there are new disease states. To do that, you have to take a plethora of medical data and a plethora of epidemiological data, and you combine it, and you got to create the story of what is the unmet need in this disease, what's the cost burden on society, and then why a therapy to treat it should be reimbursed. It takes a while. Typically, if anyone has run projects like that, you're 4 months, 6 months into digest the data, working sometimes with consultants, pulling it together and generating that story. We took generative AI, we created the framework. John helped lead this project in the audience, and within 2.5 hours, we had an entire transcript created, citations, validated citations, and we partnered with folks from your team, James, and within 48 hours, we had the initial draft created. So what a process that would typically take, we'll say tens of thousands of dollars in 3 to 6 months, we reduced down to 3 days before we went into a thorough fact-checking process within there.